What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Today we are in Beechwood Park and Village that is less than 1 mile from the Dana Point Harbor. HomeQuest has replaced several old trailers just like this one right here with brand new manufactured homes. Manufacturers do not make trailers or manufactured homes that look like this anymore. The manufactured homes today are built to much more stringent building codes. They are built to the HUD building codes, the Department of Housing and Urban Development. So we are gonna be replacing this home right here with a brand new 28 by 56 or as long as 60 feet long. It's gonna have a half factory built front porch. This is one of the largest spaces in the community. If you want to buy a brand new home, you're going to want to call us really quickly because this home will not last long, 866-720-2207. But take a look at all the metal siding, even those windows. Today, the brand new homes have dual pane vinyl windows, which are a lot more energy efficient. So the owners of this community cannot wait to get this junk out of their park. If you're interested in learning more about new or pre-owned manufactured or mobile homes, you're gonna wanna make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. All right, so let's go take a look at the home we're gonna replace with this one. We'll show you a home that's similar, but there will be some differences, but it will be a beautiful, brand new manufactured home. Let's go take a look. Right here is an example of a brand new home. We brought over 15 or 20 brand new homes in this community. It's a great community to live in, especially if you love the beach, you get the fresh ocean air. But this home right here is very similar to the home that's gonna fit in the space that we just showed you. It's gonna have a half factory built front porch. It's gonna be a flipped floor plan, but very similar of this exterior. So make sure you contact us soon. These homes do not last long. So now we're gonna be touring a brand new home that is move-in ready in this community. For a full tour of this home, click the link in the description.